Well, good afternoon folks, and welcome to another video here on my channel. Hope you're all doing well. It's a Tuesday evening as we're recording this, and I thought I'd share with you what my plans for this weekend. Now it's looking likely that I'm going to be riding on Sunday in Rutland and Leicestershire. I'll be joined by Chris Skelhorn, Karen, who you saw a few videos ago, and hopefully Paul Green from the Paul Green vlog will be joining me for a little bit of the ride as well. We're going to be riding a 200km ride round the counties of Rutland and Leicestershire, and I've got the route up on screen actually, so I just thought to share it with you so we can go through it together. So we're going to be starting in Grantham, which is Paul Green's hometown, so we're going to be starting there and we're going to be heading directly west towards Belvoir Castle through Harlexton, Denton, that's where the hills start there, and then straight down away from Belvoir Castle through Bottisford, Hawksworth, and stopping in, well, we may stop in Scriverton. There's the Cafe Vella Verde there. It's quite early on in the ride though, 32km, so maybe not, I don't know. We're going to, from there, be heading south up to Harby, and there's another opportunity to grab some food there at the village store. There's a few places, I've just marked them off on here really, may not use them on the actual day itself. This here is a Simon Warren, one of Simon Warren's 100 top climbs in the UK, and it's Terrace Hill, which is, as you can see on the left here, could well be that one. Yes it is, I've just hovered over the top of it. Maximum gradient of 14.9%. Then we go through Nipton, big uphill bit just along here, to Croxton Corral, go through Saltby, I think that is, Broxton, across a ford here, as I've put there, don't forget to use the bridge. I think I remember riding back in the autumn with Paul Green. We went to around Leicestershire and Bottisford. There was a ford that we went through there, and he was brave enough to go for the ford, but this one is too deep for two wheels, so I would advise going on the bridge. Whoops, flew off a little bit there. Let's go back again. Now Wyman Windmill is at 76km, so that's a good place to stop for a second breakfast, I think, or whatever time we might be leaving. And then going to be heading south through Tay, Ashwell, Oakham. I've just got down here Sigma Sports. I've just marked that off in case anybody has any mechanicals. There's a bike shop in Oakham rather. Heading this way. Keep going to Lawn Abbey at 92km. There's a big tough cold climb just here. It's probably that one there. It's kind of a bit of a wall. I've covered it in many previous videos. If anybody's out on Sunday, feel free to take a note of where I'm going to be riding. Not sure what time we're setting off just yet. Still got to plan that all. Chris is going to be travelling from Grimsby and Cleethorpes. Myself and Karen, and we'll be arriving from North Lincolnshire, Kroll. So it's likely to be about 9 o'clock. We don't need to go to get up mega early. The day's quite long now, so plenty of light. Anyway, back to the route. Yep, so we're going to go through Lawn Abbey, wind through Loddington to Tugby, and there's another opportunity for something to eat there, but that's quite soon after the Wyman really. But I've just marked these off on here because we've got options. That's Cafe Ven too, which I've used, stopped at before many years ago. I think it was a Velo 69 Sportif, and I've also stopped there with an audax as well, and Richard Parker's of Audax Club Lincolnshire, one of his routes. I can't remember which one now. It probably was the 300km one, which is called Don't Forget Your Dividend Card. So after leaving Cafe Ventu, keep on going south still, alongside the Ibrook Reservoir. This is where we reach the southerly point, and it's looking like at the moment we'll have a tailwind on the way back. So we're going to be leaving Great Eastern, Caldecott, and if I'm brutally honest, I don't know a lot of this route here off by heart to know places. So I've not marked any places or cafes or anything. I'm sure there will be some. I've been through here though, the Welland, ignore that, Haringworth It says here the Welland Valley Viaduct, but I think everybody knows it as the Harringworth Viaduct. Oh look, there's a cafe there as well. Look, I have to make a note of that one. I was going to tell you, this road here is south, I think it's that one. Back when I did the 1,000-kilometre ride to Brighton that weekend, I actually did a bit of wild camping up on this big hill here. Just throw that in for a bit of more information. So I am vaguely familiar with this area. I knew the viaduct was there, so I'll put that in as a point of interest. Going to be travelling back towards Rutland Water to Edith Weston. There's a village store there, probably need something to eat at that point. Coming off the hills towards Stamford, really loads of options, places there. There's going to be co-ops, there'll be lots of other things going on. I can usually spot a co-op on road GPS from a mile off because they're usually in a really prominent position. Can you spot one? I can't. As you see, there's lots of options, and we're going to be going all the way up here, all these different places. Go something to eat. I'm still looking for the co-op, that's what it is. It's somewhere along the route, I'm sure it is. Continuing north, hopefully a great tailwind at this point, through Holywell to Castle Bytham. Pronounced like that. I wonder if there's a castle left there, whether it's just the name of the village. And then South Witham into North Witham. As you can see, that follows the River Witham to the east. Colsterworth is the A1 just off to the side. Go for Woolsthorpe. Now there is a Woolsthorpe around here. I don't think it's that one, but there is a Woolsthorpe somewhere around here, which is where Isaac Newton dropped the apple, or watched the apple drop from the tree, and discovered gravity. Go through Skillington. There's some really lovely quiet roads around here. Back to Great Pontin. We won't be going this way. There's a Norfolk crossing just across there of the A1. I can remember it being quite nasty. A few weeks ago, crossing over there, I had to get over a dual carriageway of busy heavy traffic, so in this route we're going this way instead to Hungerton, and then finally back into Grantham. As I say, I don't know what time we're leaving. It'll probably be a reasonable time, probably start around 9 o'clock, something like that. Just a time convenient for myself, Chris, Karen and Paul. Days are long, don't need to go up super early like I've already said. So that's this coming Sunday. I hope you've enjoyed this video. It's something a little bit different for me. It's been raining almost constantly since my ride on Sunday. Given today's Tuesday, it's rained all day Monday. Oh, it rained all day today as well. Not very nice. Not had an opportunity to go out on the bike. Probably gonna try and get some days down the gym this week as well, because I need to do get back to some more weights and some strength training. Right, anyway, enough of the waffling. If you want to show your support for the channel, don't forget, as always, you can buy me a coffee. The link is down below the description. You can also, I believe there's an opportunity to actually buy me an inner tube or a bacon butty, and all that money sort of goes back into the channel to buy me equipment. Also, it's a great motivator as well. When I see those views go up and the subscribers, and it's a bit of money, it makes it all worthwhile, really. Obviously, I do this as a hobby, share my journeys and my adventures as well, but to get any sort of recognition is always fantastic. Really do appreciate it. So yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. I have been looking at my analytics, and I'm getting quite close to 1,500 subscribers now, but it's surprising how many people haven't subscribed to the channel. But if that's you, don't forget to hit that subscriber button and give me a thumbs up, give it a comment. Anyway, for me, take care. I'll see you again soon. Bye bye for now.